Let's get to our final trade of the day. Chris Robinson, the managing director at the Cow Guy Group, joins us now. He's watching the grains market, and of course, a lot of grains traders and farmers are watching for what's going to happen next with the China tariffs. We saw cooling off from the president over the weekend, and now it's looking like a deal has been delayed, at least for now. So how's the market reacting?
Well, it's the dangers of headline trading. A lot of people, if I had told you Saturday that the grains would be lower today, you would have probably thought it was a disconnect, right? Because when the market gets good news, it's supposed to rally. Lo and behold, what happened Monday? We opened up, we were higher earlier, but there was no follow through. So what you saw was people maybe who were short over the weekend looking for the market to go lower, they got out, and so there's no follow through. A sharply lower move in wheat falling out of bed completely, so you have people selling wheat, and watching corn is unchanged. Soybeans, we would have thought that soybeans would have been up 20, 30 cents, kind of break us out of this trading range we've been in. Again, no follow through. So rule number one, I was taught when I was just a youngster 30 years ago, if the market gets good news and does not respond, you better reevaluate your opinions, reevaluate your trade hedges, whatever. Now, so this is being closely followed by farmers, producers, end users, also speculators. So that's the tip of the day, or the tip for the week. If a market gets good news and you don't see it reflected in the price discovery, you may want to step back and say, the market's telling you there's something going on. Now, again, when you're trading the headlines, we're one tweet away if it really does get solved. But right now the market's kind of in that show me state. It's like Missouri.
No,
show me state.
That is very true. But sometimes the market senses, oh wait, something else is going to come out of the woodwork that could move the market.
Yeah.
And that's what you're sensing.
Right. That's the beauty of open, free markets. Every buyer and every seller, you can have your opinion, but at the end of the day, they meet at the line of scrimmage. And when you see an action like that, it's a reason for you to maybe step back and say, maybe my analysis wasn't correct.
So how are you playing this at this juncture, coming into a fresh trading day? What do you look at?
Well, again, if you look at soybeans, corn, especially soybeans and corn is at a 10-cent trading range, soybeans is at about a 30-cent trading range. We would have thought, or one would have imagined, that we would have gone higher and broken out through this trading range we've been stuck in. So I would continue to watch that trading range. What you don't want to see is the market really fall out of bed. And if that happens, then it's telling you there probably is a problem that nobody knows about yet. So I would continue to wait for the breakout, be patient, and don't get too caught up in what you think the market ought to do. The market will tell you what to do if you're patient. And again, how do you play that? You wait for the breakout. You either have a buy stop or a sell stop, or you have a strategy on where you have a straddle on where you own a put and a call. One of them's going to go worthless. One of them should pay off. But I like that strategy personally better for me, because you don't have to be in and out. You
can
have
exposure to the upside or downside.
Yeah, you can set your position and kind of forget it, especially if you have another job. If you're a full-time trader, you want to watch the screen all day, have at it. But if you've got something else to do and you say, well, I just want to be there when it breaks out, there are strategies that'll let you do that.
Right. Some traders are watching the soybean market for clues about the stock market, because it's all tying back to China.
Absolutely.
Good to have you here. Thank you.
Okay, great to be here.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.